Hey guys, this is Friday night again, and this is another unboxing. So 2 packages and an Ultra V code for the Martian Extended Edition, which will be the first come, first served at the end of the video. First up, from Music Magpie, which my trusty knife. Let's have a look. Right. Get my dressing gown up so I don't show anything. As some people say, it's stupid, but it's just that I'm in my dressing gown. Don't mean nothing by it, but tough shit. Some people don't get YouTube. This is The Young Americans, starring Harvey Keitel, in a British film. I remember seeing this back in the day on VHS, and it's by Anchor Bay. Looking forward to seeing that. Harvey Keitel plays a cop, a drug enforcement officer, asked by other police to help him cracking on an organisation of drug ring. It's run by an American drug guy, Viggo Mortensen, who turns the defective young Britons into hardened criminals. Well, Harvey Keitel comes in and kicks ass. I believe The Young Americans. Next up is another package. Let's have a look at what this is. This is 3 Blu-rays from Amazon America, not the UK Amazon, Amazon America. Look at that. And it is, first off, is the remake of the. I'm trying to get it. This is strange. Right, anyway. First up is the double pack, what I ordered, of The Punisher and Punisher Warzone, the remake and the third film. That's what I ordered, the double pack. Now, what's interspliced with this is the Punisher individual release. So, I don't know what's going on here. I ordered a double disc set of The Punisher with John Travolta and the Warzone, and it comes with a separate Blu-ray sealed in of The Punisher with John Travolta. So now I've got 2 copies of John Travolta Punisher and 1 of Warzone. Any comments below on why that's happening? I didn't order the Punisher separate. Anyway, last up is another double film, Dead on Arrival and Consenting Adults, from Mill Creek. Again, Region A. They're locked to America, and these are, I think these are Region A as well. Punishers. Right. Next up is the HD code for the Martian Extended Edition. The first person to send me the email gets the code, as you know the rules. And this is the first of 2 videos. This is just a quick video, and the second video tonight will be up later on, where I do a full, complete, up-to-date Charles Bronson collection of all the films in the Bronson collection. It's going to be a long video. I may not talk in detail about the DVDs, because it's going to take hours then, but it'll be a complete collection from A to B in no particular order. So, see you then, guys. Bye.